Planning to enroll yourself for a PhD, you should go to a supervisor and get an insight about the kind of work which is done by the supervisor, and there are some quick questions you can ask your supervisor before you finalize your supervisor. What are those questions? Some of those are very general questions. For example, how many candidates are right now working under you? What are the projects they are working? What are your past students who have done PhD under you, they are doing right now? If I join as a PhD scholar under your guidance, what do you expect from me? What is the main thing that you would appreciate, or a main characteristic that you would want in a successful PhD candidate? Another good question could be, how do you mentor your students? What are the major research areas that you think are important? You can then show your proposal, you can then show your research proposal and ask for suggestions. When the professor gives you a feedback, you would get to know the depth of the knowledge of the professor. You would also get to know how much improvements are required on your end, and also you would get an insight about the kind of work which is done under the supervisor. This could relate to methodology, even the kind of softwares, even the kind of technological improvements that are required. Also, recently in India, there has been a clause that not more than 8 students, M.Phil or Ph.D. could be counted all together under one person. So it's a limit of 4, 6 and 8 assistant, associate and professor. So you need to see whether there is a vacancy with the supervisor, so you can also quickly ask, is there a vacancy? If not, in what duration the vacancy can be created. So in case you have to wait, it should not be a case that your whole 1 year gets wasted. You can also ask about where the people who have done PhD under you are placed. This is a good indicator to help you understand what could be your future opportunities and how is your supervisor's position within the academic community. That is again decisive of the possible jobs and placement opportunity that you can get. So those are some of the important questions as a PhD aspirant you must ask the supervisor before you finalize on the supervisor. On top of that, think that whether your personality or your opinions are aligned to the opinions of the supervisor, and also look into the professionalism. These factors would help you understand and decide what is best for yourself. Thank you.